looks like our bot is almost ready to launch. The last thing we want to do is to add a persistent menu. It's a hamburger-like menu in the bottom left corner of the messenger chat, and it basically offers shortcuts to certain features in your bot. So let's add a main menu, add some content here. Let's call it. We want users to be able to quickly head back to the main menu in case they get lost. Then it might be a good idea to offer them live chat. And also we want them able to share feedback quickly. Oh, no, that's wrong. Let's reorder this one. And that's it. Now to activate the persistent menu, we actually need to connect our bot to our Facebook page, and we will do this in the next step.